All right, we just received this in the mail. This is a smart thermostat for your air conditioner, MiniSplit, or heat pump. So let's go ahead and, it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Let's undo it and get the top off. There we go. Wow, this thing looks pretty awesome, I must say. Let's pop it out. There it comes. Okay, so it does have some kind of a battery situation here. Let's take that off. All right, so that, oh, there's something on here too. Oh, look at that. Wow. All right, wow, that looks fantastic. Look, you can see yourself in it. It's like a mirror. All right, let's take this open, set that down. And I do believe we've got instruction manual. And so this is going to show you how to download the app and how to plug everything together so it works. And then in here we should have, I don't know what this is. This must be the, oh, look at this. So they've got an array of plugs depending on where you're at in the world. So you've got for Europe, you've got a bunch of different ones. And let's see what else is in here. No, there's definitely, oh yeah, here we go. More European plugs. And this is the connector for these. So you get, I have to show you guys. Hang on, we got more. And here is the cord for this. All right, so this is a USB-C, and this is magnetic. So that's interesting. So look at this. This is how this works. If you're in a foreign country, apparently you can just put these on and use it and charge right here. You follow me? So they've given you all the European and UK style plugs for their sockets over there because it's different than the United States, right? So you do get those. That's pretty interesting. Apparently they are going worldwide with this. All right, here is, I think, this is the back of the Do I take that off? Maybe I leave that on for now, because this might be like to stick on the wall. So let's leave that on. But I do believe that this would probably somehow hook up in this. We'll have to figure that out. Set that down. One last thing. Oh, nothing. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. You've got this to put on the wall. It connects to the back of this, right? And this is the thermostat itself. You get your cord with your magnetic connector and a USB-C, which connects into this, which you plug into the wall. If you're in Europe or UK, you would use those. If you're in America, of course, you're going to use America. Here is their booklet, and that tells you how to set it all up and how to connect it, and you have to download an app. But that's what's inside of the box right there. So this, you got to plug in, you know what I mean? Jelly beans. But this would go on here like this. Or maybe it goes like this. Oh, look at that. There you go. Bob's your uncle. That's how that works. Okay. So now we've got that squared away. Let's set that down. Now it also does come with this. See if I can figure out how to open it. So difficult. All right, there we go. All right, we're just manhandling this thing because it just doesn't want to cooperate. All right, so here we go. Let's get it out of the box. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. I got an idea. I'm just gonna rip it apart. There we go. Done. All right, so this is a desktop one. You follow me? So this can go on the desktop. And I believe that this would slide up in there. You follow it like this. You would go like this, and this thing would go in there like that. And then you would just put this on there. Whoops. Stay in there, young man. See how this thing here goes in there? Then I go like that. And now you've got this. See, this would go down in here like this. I think you got to turn it sideways. Yeah. And then you can plug it in. But that's it, man. That's everything that comes in the box. Now we just got to figure out how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Anyway, this would work the same way as this, the back of this thing did. You know what I mean? Except for this would be on the wall. Peace out!